Now, the Supreme Court has refused to entertain a plea seeking an FIR and a court-monitored SIT probe against former Allahabad High Court Judge Yashwant Varma in the alleged burnt cash case. The plea sought a criminal investigation into the alleged recovery of a large amount of cash after a fire at his residence. However, the top court dismissed the petition, noting that a similar plea had already been rejected earlier. Let's go across to Sambhav now. Sambhav, the Supreme Court has refused to entertain this FIR fresh plea against Yashwant Varma. But what do we know about investigation on him?
Well, absolutely. The two-judge bench of the Supreme Court of Justice P.S. Narasimha and Justice Alok Arade, the two-judge bench was hearing this petition and has said that when the petition was filed in the Supreme Court, when the matter came up, the two-judge bench has said that this particular petition is filed for cheap publicity and declined to entertain it. If we talk about the petition by the petitioner Ghanshyam Upadhyay has filed this petition, and in his petition, Ghanshyam Upadhyay said that though Justice Varma had resigned from office, that does not erase criminal liability for unaccounted money recovered from his residence. This is what is said in this petition. However, the moment the petition came up before the two-judge bench, the Supreme Court dismissed this particular petition by this lawyer seeking registration of an FIR and the court-monitored probe by the special investigation team into the alleged burnt currency matter. So, but as of now, what is important is what the top court has said. The two-judge bench of the Supreme Court has called this petition cheap publicity in a way and declined to entertain this particular petition. As we talk about what exactly is submitted in the court before the two-judge bench, the petitioner has said that earlier similar petitions were dismissed on technical grounds and that no complaint was filed before filing the petition, and that is done now. A judge of the High Court had been held to be a public servant. So these were the contents of the petition, but the two-judge bench of the Supreme Court has declined to entertain the matter and also called this particular petition as cheap publicity and said that we are not inclined to entertain this petition at this time.
Sambhava, yes, thank you for providing those inputs to us on this, viewers. Another time that Supreme Court has refused FIR plea, fresh plea. Now,